Pete, I can't join because I'm not waiting this long.
Okay. Start it up.
I'm not waiting
James is just
like 50
fuck
years.
This shit. Pete, do you want nether pheromones?
Sure.
Pete. Alright. I'll save them for you then. Because I know that they're somewhat rare. What the hell is with the Nyan cat?
Meow. Meow. Meow.
He does.
Dark side, Ghost Rider. Join me together.
Come on, James.
I'm trying to attach this thing to the building. Don't judge me.
Hang on, hang on. Oh, never mind. Okay, wait. I got something. Here, wait. Despawn your thing.
Those 3 words are attached to so much of what we say.
Hey.
Like, have you guys ever thought about how much we say that?
What?
Damn mind out of the gutter, Ryan.
No, like,
Your house.
just think about it. How much do we say "don't judge me" on a regular basis?
Too much.
Exactly.
Get in the go.
Wait. No.
How do I drive?
Am I allowed to get in, or
How do I drive?
I don't know? Did you read the thingy?
No, I didn't.
Yeah, I'm gonna put a chair on here. I wanna come on.
I don't know how to drive this thing though. So
It doesn't come with instructions. Just click 8.
oh,
Oh. Whoa. And I got this. Oh. Click, James. Click, click, click. Click it. Oh. There you go. There you go. Oh.
my car.
Alright.
Well, Pete.
What? Whoa. Long dick style.
Here, you have fun with this.
Long dick style. Long dick. Oh. Long dick style. Long dick style. Long dick style. Penetrate. Wiggle, 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 wiggle. Where's the lever? Oh, here's the dick thing. There should be a lever we can pull. Oh, here we go.
Pull the lever, Croc!
God damn it,
I
right.
didn't like drive. I know what we can do.
Yes.
Weld it to the truck.
Yes. Right, come here, penis.
Weld it to the truck.
Come on.
When it gets on, I'm definitely doing this. We're definitely doing this again, Pete. We're welding it to the truck.
Okay, James, go.
Are you sure this is not stuck to anything?
Yeah. Oh, God.
Unstick me. Unweld me. Oh wait, no, never mind. Okay. Unstick that from the ground somehow. Like pull that one. Like it's something stuck to the ground with that one.
Score!
Because I want this welded to the truck.
No, you just had it.
And I have to try to figure out how to get it unstuck from the ground.
Okay. Okay, go, James.
Oh,
Go,
I
James.
had to unstick it from the air.
It is unstuck.
Can't pull away. Oh
Come on,
god.
James, pull out. Pull
Pull
out.
out.
Pull out.
Pull out.
Okay, I think I'm good.
We have serious issues.
Pete, take a picture, send this to the people.
Oh god. Oh, I'm stuck. I'm stuck in the car. Okay. Hey, hang on. Hold on. Yep, I got it. Let me get you, Dickie. I might hold your dick. Wait, I didn't.
No! Mine.
Jesus, Pete.
Wait, that didn't sound right.
What are you doing? Oh my god.
Holy shit. Go, James, go.
I use the hang glider so much.
I hate the hang glider so much.
What?
Oh, no, I like it. It's just, it's a pain in the freaking ass.
How?
The dreaded frying pan.
Every time I usually use it, I die.
That's because you don't know how to use it.
Not that. It's just, I died the one time. I'm like, I'm done.
You can't judge it just by that.
I don't. I played that game for a year. I love that game to death.
No, I'm talking about the hang glider.
I've used it for years, too.
Then why are you being so judgy?
Why don't you, Pete? Hmm?
Because it's me.
Touche.
Oh, it's me. Shit. Either I'm gonna have to buy one of you Left 4 Dead 2 or Left 4 Dead. Probably gonna be Left 4 Dead 2 though.
Yeah, get the newer game.
I only say that because we can mod that game to have custom play models and stuff. My only thing.
You don't have the game modded, Pete.
Or do.
Pete, no you don't. You don't. Wink, wink, nudge, nudge.
Oh god. I'm scared. Actually, I could get you that now if you want. Since you're not doing anything right now.
Who says he's not doing anything, huh?
It's showing he's not doing anything rad.